From Akamai's perspective, are you also working with players to optimize the user experience, whether it's about media encoding or it's about a lot of other things where we are delivering Gen AI and stuff? So I'm asking about end user facing questions, but from Akamai's perspective.
We've got partnerships across the industry from organizations that develop transcoders through to those that actually render the player at the user's interface. Now you couple that with gaming as a good example. Gaming works by having access to other players, especially if you're in the first-person shooter games, which I love. You need to be as close to your competitor as possible. If you're in London and your opponent is in Denver, that's not going to be a great experience for both of you. You want to be finding people in and around London, Paris, that sort of thing. So yeah, we're bringing all of that access, all of that data as close to that end user as possible to enable new ways of working or new ways of consuming content, media, entertainment. And you're right, we don't necessarily have a direct relationship with the end user, but what we do does power billions and trillions of interactions a day.